What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we have something very special for you. We have every iPhone ever made, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock any iPhone. Now this will work for the first generation iPhone and all the way to the latest and newest iPhone out there. For this example, I'm going to use a couple of my phones and we're going to show you how to unlock any iPhone. Now to start, I have to explain how it works. Now there are two ways or two different types of locks. First, you have the carrier unlock. The carrier unlock is if your phone is locked for a specific network. Let's say for this example, my phone is locked to AT&T, and when I insert a T-Mobile SIM card, the phone gets locked and you will get the message activation required. That means that your iPhone is only compatible with one specific carrier. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone to use it with multiple SIM cards anywhere in the world. It's going to be very, very simple, and we're going to do it together step by step. Now, if you are interested in the carrier unlock, please go ahead and skip to this minute because that's where we start with the carrier unlock. Now, the passcode unlock is if your phone is locked with a specific passcode. For example, I have this iPhone and it's locked with a passcode, and if you don't know the passcode or if your phone is disabled because you have entered the incorrect password so many times, your phone will become locked. And I'm going to show you how to restore your phone in order to bypass the lock screen, and you will be able to fully use your iPhone. If you are interested on the passcode lock or the security lock, please go ahead and skip to this minute because that's where we start with the passcode unlock. We're going to start with the carrier unlock. The carrier unlock will allow you to use your iPhone with multiple SIM cards. So if you switch providers or you travel, you will be able to use your iPhone with any SIM card from any GSM carrier in any country. Now to do that, we're going to simply follow a couple of steps and we will unlock this iPhone. It's very simple. Now, before we start, I have to mention two things. First thing is that if your phone is reported as lost or stolen, this method will not work. So make sure that your phone is clean. That means that it is not reported as a lost iPhone. Number two, this is a very safe and legit way to unlock your iPhone. It's not free. We will have to pay something to unlock this iPhone because it's a paid service. It's 100% safe, so no worries. Your iPhone won't be damaged in any way. And it is super simple. I have unlocked more than 100 iPhones using this method, and it's completely recommended. So with that said, let's begin. The first step is to open the phone application and get the IMEI number by typing *#06#. And as you will see, the IMEI number will show up in the screen of your iPhone. The IMEI number is also located in the SIM card tray. It should be written somewhere there. And it's also located in the back part of the iPhone, of the box of the iPhone. So you can also check it in the back part. Anyways, once you have this number located, we are going to go ahead and proceed to the computer because the rest of the process will take place in the computer. All right, so you go to your internet browser and you go to the website unlockpanda.com. Here we will request the unlock for the iPhone that we're trying to unlock right now. So we're going to start by selecting the original carrier that your phone is locked to. In this case, my phone is locked to AT&T in the United States. Then we'll select the brand, Apple, and then we'll select the model. In this case, we will be unlocking an iPhone SE. Then we will insert the IMEI number. That's the number we got at the beginning of this video. And then your email. Make sure that your email is written 100% correct. Very important. If we scroll down, we're going to see the price and the delivery time. This is the waiting time that we need to wait until we get the phone unlocked. Everything is done remotely, so we're going to press unlock now. The price and delivery time will always vary. So in this case, we're going to be unlocking this iPhone SE. You can read all the information here. No worries, everything is 100% safe. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to place my order. I've done this method more than 100 times probably because I've unlocked many phones. But I'm just going to place my order and I'm going to be back once everything is completed. It is very safe. All right, so after placing your order, you just have to wait until you get the confirmation that your iPhone has been unlocked. So it will take a couple of days. Sometimes it's super fast. Sometimes it takes a couple of more days. So you have to be very patient. But once your order is completed, you're going to get an email just like this. So we're going to switch to my personal email and I'm going to show you how's the email that I just got. As you can see here, I got this message and it says order completed, iPhone successfully unlocked. We're going to open it. And as you can see here, it says your iPhone has been factory unlocked. Now simply we need to connect the iPhone to the internet. And there are two ways we can do this, using the Wi-Fi method and the iTunes method. For this example, we're gonna use the iTunes method. Make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version. So just go to General, Software Update, and you should check if your phone is currently updated to the latest version. It is not required, but it is recommended. So I would install this one. Alright, so now we need to activate the unlock. And for that, we're gonna use two methods. We are gonna connect the iPhone to the computer using the USB cable. We're gonna connect it. The next step is to insert a SIM card. For example, if my phone is locked to AT&T, I'm gonna insert a SIM card from a different carrier. In this case, I'm gonna use my phone with T-Mobile, so I'm gonna insert a SIM card from T-Mobile. It can be any other SIM card out there as long as it's different from the original carrier. So we're gonna go ahead, insert it, and we're gonna switch to the computer because we need to activate the unlock using the computer. By the way, make sure you have the latest version of iTunes. I'm gonna include a link in the description of this video where you can download and install the latest version of iTunes. Now we're gonna wait for iTunes to detect that we have connected the iPhone, and we should get a message confirming that the iPhone has been successfully unlocked, as you can see here. So as you can see here, my iPhone was locked to AT&T and it's running on T-Mobile. So just to show you, I'm gonna try to make a phone call, and we are gonna try to connect to see if the phone is able to make calls.
Thank you for calling GoDaddy. Your call may be monitored and recorded to ensure quality customers.
Perfect. So that's it, guys. My phone is now fully factory unlocked, and now we can restore the iPhone. We can update the iPhone. You can do whatever you want with your iPhone, and it will always remain unlocked. And that's how you do a factory unlocked on an iPhone. All right, guys. So now we're gonna talk about the passcode lock. So if your phone is locked with a passcode and you forgot it, or you don't know the security code, or if your Face ID is not working, I'm gonna show you how to unlock or how to bypass this activation screen so that we're able to use your phone again. Now keep in mind that we will do a factory reset, so all the iPhone information is gonna be completely deleted. So photos, contacts, everything will be completely wiped out. So if you have a backup in your computer, that's where it's gonna come in handy because you will be able to transfer all the information back into your iPhone. And the other thing to consider is that your iPhone must not have an iCloud lock. If your phone is locked with an iCloud account, that means that you are not the original owner, and this method will not work. So I am assuming that your phone is not stolen and you are the original owner. So with that said, let's proceed. So the first step is to connect your iPhone to the computer using the USB cable. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it, and then we're gonna enter recovery mode. To enter recovery mode, you simply have to press the volume up key, volume down key, and the side button. And press and hold the side button until you see the Connect to iTunes logo. It's gonna take a while, maybe 30 or 40 seconds, so just make sure you don't let go of this button right here. So just keep pressing it, and it will take a couple of attempts, but if you get it correctly, you're gonna see this screen right here. This confirms that the iPhone has been successfully set on recovery mode. The next step will take place in the computer, so I'm just gonna switch cameras. By the way, you need to install the latest version of iTunes. I'm gonna include a link on the description of this video where you can download and install the latest version of iTunes. iTunes will detect that your iPhone has been detected as recovery mode. We're gonna proceed by clicking restore, and the iPhone will be completely restored and updated to the latest version. It's gonna take a couple of minutes, even a few hours if your internet connection is a bit slow, but I'll be back once my iPhone has been completely restored. So after your phone has been restored, you will be able to access your phone again. It will be set completely new. So this is a welcome screen, and you just need to fill in all the new settings as if your phone was completely new. If your phone is logged to an iCloud account, here's where you need to insert the email and the password. If you don't know the email and the password, you should contact the original owner. And if there is no other way, or in case you forgot the original email, I'm gonna include some articles down in the comment section where you can help you get your iCloud account unlocked. So after doing all the settings, you should be able to use your phone, and boom, the iPhone has been successfully unlocked, and now we are able to access it without any issues. So that's how you unlock an iPhone. I hope this video helped you get your phone unlocked. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer them as quick as possible. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.